Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start pairing now. First, confirm the Apple Pencil is charged and the tip is secure so data flows correctly. Make sure Bluetooth is on, the iPad is unlocked, and you're on the home screen to accept pairing prompts. Once done, remove the pencil cap and plug the Lightning connector into the iPad's Lightning port. You'll see a pairing dialog within seconds. This step establishes the initial handoff. Without it, the devices can't exchange authentication keys, so don't skip it. When the pairing dialog appears, tap Connect and wait for confirmation. This completes the secure link between the pencil and iPad. Next, open Notes or a drawing app to test pressure sensitivity, tilt response, and palm rejection. These verify firmware and calibration. If lines vary with pressure and tilt behaves naturally, the pencil is correctly configured. Make sure to try quick sketches and handwriting so you observe latency and responsiveness, because those real-world tests confirm the connection quality and usability. To finish, replace the cap, stow the pencil safely, and use it normally. That completes the setup. If pairing fails, restart the iPad, reinsert the pencil, toggle Bluetooth, and try pairing again. These steps reset software states and often fix handshake problems. If problems persist, update iPad OS and inspect the pencil tip for wear, because outdated firmware or a damaged tip can cause poor performance. One key troubleshooting tip: try another lighting port accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.